I'm currently standing outside of 12 Vista Calabasas here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I wanted to give you guys a look around and show you what we're going to be doing with the staging here. Pretty exciting stuff. So this is the front door. When you walk in, you're greeted with this nice large open floor plan to the kitchen, living room area all right here. Gorgeous built-in fireplace. We're gonna add some staging, as I mentioned. What's really gonna help with the staging is that it's gonna kind of give us an idea of what it looks like to live in this house. So it's a little harder to vision, envision everything when it's empty. But once we add this, it'll really tie the space together, give everybody more of a feel of what it'll feel like when they're actually in it, living in it, and on top of that, it's gonna kind of make it feel even more open, if you can imagine. So let me walk you guys around and I'll show you everything. So like I said, here is the kitchen. We have gorgeous countertops over here, some nice finishes and appliances, big windows, so you can see nice views out there. And then this is the front door. Nice beams, high ceilings all throughout. I'll walk you guys right over here to the guest bedrooms. This is gonna be your first guest bedroom, which is oversized, which is great for entertaining, using as an office, children, whatever it may be. You have a door to the outside here as well. So there's an additional access point. Then you walk over through here, and this is the bathroom area. You have a walk-in shower. Let me turn the lights on so you guys can get more of a feel for it. There we go. You have this nice walk-in shower right here. It goes pretty far back, all tiled. Then you have your mirror, countertops to match the kitchen. Come over here into the next guest bedroom, which is also very large. You have a lot of windows in here as well. They face the other way. So it's gonna let in a lot of light in here. Nice high ceilings as well. Once all of this is staged, it'll kind of help put, bedding together, decide where you wanna put everything, give you a better idea for sure, and just open up the space. Right here is gonna be your pantry. We're right off of the kitchen. There's currently some stuff in there, but of course, you can do what you want with that. Another guest bathroom. This is a half bath. There's no shower or tub, but it's perfect for guests. Over here is your laundry room. A lot of windows in this house, which is really nice to bring in the light. This is kind of like considered a flex room, so you could do what you wish with it. We're gonna probably make it an office for the purpose of staging because a lot of people are working from home lately. This is the master bedroom. It is absolutely huge, which is lovely. You have windows all along and another door right there that leads to the backyard. I will show you the closet. Is here. Let me turn the light on. High ceilings again, nice walk-in closet, very good space. And this is your en-suite bathroom. This is gonna be his and her sink, mirror, another little coat closet. Similar to the other bathroom, we have a walk-in shower. This one's even bigger. Tiled all throughout, and then your commode has its own separate little area right here. So stop by to see it staged. We're getting that done very shortly, and as soon as it is, I can't wait for you guys to see it.